The reason I came to LaSalle was the technology program.
If you have absolutely no media experience, they will walk you through everything you need to know.
Here at LaSalle, we are on the cutting edge of technology.
LaSalle's multimedia department is very advanced. You can learn anything from shooting videos to coding.
It just had so many opportunities for me to get involved in the media programs.
Out of everything that I love about LaSalle is that it gives you the opportunities to explore pretty much anything that you would like.
What's great about multimedia is I get to collaborate with my peers on projects.
I'd say LaSalle has influenced my passion for IT by really giving me the jump start that I need to learn all that I can.
What I probably like most about the teachers in the media department is that they allow us to be the ones who are expressing ourselves. They give us all the tools we need, and they let us go ahead and do what we want to do.
The Lab Manager program really is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to get to work with other professionals in the field and at the same time get to really work on a production network and assist staff with their day-to-day needs.
The Lab Manager program really is great because you get hands-on learning with top-of-the-line equipment. We'll be the ones in the server room fixing the problems that come up. It really prepares you for steps after high school, whether it's a job or in college.
When I was on the edge thinking about which high school I was going to pick, LaSalle really stood out in terms of IT. The hands-on experience, the latest and greatest and cutting-edge technology that's out there, LaSalle had all of that to offer.
In terms of equipment, LaSalle gives us all the best things that you would need to be able to create videos. Then you have the option to take it a step further and begin learning all the best video editing software that's out there through the Adobe Creative Cloud.
I feel LaSalle is preparing me for my next stage in my education, for college and beyond. The academics are amazing, the programs are amazing, the clubs are amazing. There's something here for everyone.